hard to learn taekwondo.
To learn taekwondo.
And we have to take taekwondo tests.
Yeah, promotion tests.
Yeah.
To go up to black belts, and some people take it up to like black belt 3rd or 4th degree.
She's a good taekwondo player. And this is hanbok, traditional Korean clothes.
And you can see that it has been through like changes to fit the modern fashion, and it has been through a lot of phases.
About 40 minutes to Taipei City downtown, and it's surrounded by the nature environment. And Taiwan, I'm going to, our real national name is the Republic of China. And before the European discover us, and they call us Formosa. Formosa means beautiful island.
We will begin our seminar, and as you all know, our first topic is about bioethics. Recent court cases have been catching a lot of attention as to how they regard such bioethical matters and how they justify certain cases that is setting a precedent to the current world. And we are, the world is paying very close attention to all the courthouses regarding bioethics right now.
Bioethics is a big topic including many issues like GMF, cryonics, and clonings. Today I'm going to focus on Taiwan's perspective on GMF. GMF stands for genetically modified food. It works like where you got a recipient, plant or animal is selected, and the gene is inserted and incorporated into its genome through a vector such as a grow bacteria. Yes, and through a gene gun shooting an elemental particle covered in plasmid DNA or electroporation or a virus. The profits made from GMF in Taiwan went up 7.5 times in 7 years, and the farmlands of GMF food in Taiwan has rapidly increased since 1986 and improves the appearance, taste, and smell of the food.
I'll tell you about the case review in Korea about stem cell research and how Korea handled bioethics issue. So first of all, what is stem cell research? There is 2 kinds of stem cells, and it is the adult stem cell and the embryonic stem cell. When we have a heart failure, it's easier to take the embryo and grow that into a full-size heart rather than to take the heart of someone else, because that can have a lot of malfunctioning problems between people's bodies. And it's best that you get your own genes, and if that is possible, that it will be a medical revolution.
So, for example, for me, I'm into like sciences, so we research on hydrophilic surfaces. And yeah, since last year there was a very controversial issue in Korea. But before going specifically into the case study, I would like to talk about first about pros and cons about euthanasia. Identify who is going to die, and it gives too much power to the doctors, and so they can persuade the families to have euthanasia. In the case of coma patients also, we don't actually know what the patient actually thinks. So there's no way of figuring out what kind of opinion the patients have.
Do you think that Taiwan should continue genetically modified foods despite the proven scientific side effect studies, just for the sake of economical benefits?
So I think we're not sure if he or she will like come alive again or getting better. They shouldn't waste the stores.
But what about the cases of like patients, we don't know what the patient actually thinks.
I think, in my personal opinion, I think the foods that Taiwan sells to other countries, those foods are really like taste for many times, and they are for sure have no dangers or poison.
I have a question for you. The statement that you just made, the GMF is not just for the economic benefits, but if we can develop those fruits or food more productively, we can also save people in Africa. So because we can have mass production of like nutrition foods.